Want to double all numbers in a list in just one line? Today I will show you a clean Python trick using map and lambda. To solve this, I am going to create a list with nums. The nums is nothing but the variable name for the list to store the list. So I am going to create 1, 2, 3 for the list item. We have 3 items inside our list. The list name is nums. I store the list inside our variable which is the nums. So this is a list of numbers. We want to double each number. How? Inside Python we have a lambda function. Lambda is nothing but a small function with no name. It takes one value. Let me write our lambda function for this purpose. So lambda x is nothing but the value which I am will pass for this lambda function. So x, then x is check true. So this is the small function with no name. It takes one value which is x, multiply it by 2. On the right side we have expression and the left side we have a variable, and this is the colon which separate the expression and the colon. So we have a lambda and we have the expression and the variable. So for the lambda function we have only one variable, so it takes one value. This lambda function, it takes one value and multiply it by 2. So we have to store this inside our one variable. So I am going to apply the map on this. Show you applies the function to each item in the list. That's why we are using here the map on this. When we pass the list and we want to apply the lambda function to each item in the list, and then we will convert this inside into list using list function built in of Python, and then I will store into the result variable. If I print result semi-code, let me show all my code and clear my terminal. See, I am getting 2, 4 and 6. So I will pass the list with item 1, 2 and 3. And so let me understand you each part. Here this part, this is a small function with no name. It takes one value which is x and multiplied by 2, and we pass the list to this lambda function, and we want each item of list to multiply by 2. So then we use the map is helping applies the function to each item in the list, and then we convert to the list. Why we convert to the list? Because the map gives us the result in a special format and the list convert it to a normal list, and we store this list in again in the variable result, and we print with the help of result. And what is the iteration here? So first iteration we get the 1 into 2 equals to 2, and 2 into 2 equals to 4, and 3 into 2 equal to 6. So we get this result 2, 4 and 6. I hope this will make sense for you. If any doubt till now, please comment. If you like this, don't forget to subscribe for more tricks. Thanks for watching.